Hello, this is Rich Nelson with a special yield survey webcast for you here. I want to announce our actual results of our 21st annual nationwide farmer yield survey. I just want to first of all say thank you to all the farmers who participated. Certainly quite a big turnout. This is our second largest turnout ever for participation for this. Just so you know, last year was our record so far. So certainly a lot of participation, a lot of guys calling in, letting us know exactly what yields are in their area, and certainly informing us and making us have some pretty good numbers in our opinion here. As far as some coverage, we covered a wide total of, in fact, 25 separate states called in and let us know yields in their area. So quite a big numbers in terms of timing. This ran from August 9th through the 27th. So certainly a good 3-week time frame. And this also did cover a good portion of that heat and dryness which began to develop here in the month of August. So in terms of accuracy, we feel it's pretty good. We've also got the nationwide or the historical statistics showing that generally for corn we're about 0.8% within USDA September report as far as production. So we're certainly very happy about that and look forward to coming close on it again here for next week's report. Just getting to the numbers here, let's just jump right in here. You remember back in February, USDA gave us a trend yield of 160.9. That was at their February Outlook conference. As of August, they raised that up to 165. Our nationwide yield survey suggested numbers right now dropping slightly down to about 162.3. As you would expect, looks like the Western Corn Belt, as far as most of the states, did a little better than the portions of the Eastern Corn Belt. The state which did show the worst development here for us was the state of Illinois. It was surprising that guys in Indiana kind of mixed here for the most part, but certainly Illinois, certainly on those eastern and southern areas, were the guys who kind of dragged down the area for the state as a whole. So corn yields 162.3. That gives us a nationwide production 13.147 billion bushels here. And compared to that August number, that's about 218 million lower than what USDA told us here last month. In terms of the breakdown, what's this mean for ending stocks and those types of issues? We do have a sharp revision lower in ending stocks. You remember back in August 12th, USDA told us a 1.312 billion bushel ending stock. We're going to drop that just about 1.1 billion bushels. In fact, the exact number is 1.090 for you guys keeping tabs out there. So we do have a drop down about 1.1 billion bushels. And that is getting close to that psychological point which the market likes to watch, which is 1 billion bushels even here. So certainly for corn, we will point out that this is still above trend yields, which as said are 160.9. This is still a great crop. We're simply taking it off that record level that was posted, in fact, just last year. In terms of soybeans, we're going to use our number. Let me give some background again here first. February trend line yield is 42.9. That's from USDA's February Outlook Conference, 42.9. Back last month, they told us 44 for a number, and we're going to lower that slightly down to about 43.2. That came in pretty close to what we were expecting beforehand. While this is a drop in production of about 64 million bushels, we will point out that, you know what, based on these large stocks that we're going to have at the end of this year, you've got to have a pretty significant drop in yield before this becomes a market alarming event. Unlike corn, where stocks are tight, being the stocks are not in soybeans. In fact, you have to drop yields down to 41 before you can get any type of argument saying this is even a neutral stocks number. In terms of the bottom line stocks number, we do have USDA's at 360 million bushels last month. We're going to drop that down to about 321. Anything above 300 is still considered certainly large here. So as far as the big picture, as we said, summarizing, corn 162.3, soybeans 43.2. As I said before, we certainly appreciate all the participation that we received from farmers. Our second largest turnout ever for this survey, our 21st annual. We appreciate helping you, and if you have any question about this report, what it means to markets, what it means to prices, how to trade this, and also what to do with some crops for you guys marketing some crops here, feel free to give Allendale a call here. That number is 1-800-262-7538. You can also get more information on our numbers and on our research at our homepage, Allendale, that's ALLENDALE -INC.com. This is Rich Nelson, Director of Research. Have a good day and a good trading week ahead of you.